In the depths of yogic attainment, Krishna reveals the 18 siddhis, mystic perfections, that arise as byproducts of concentrated meditation. These aren't the ultimate aim. For pure devotees, they're secondary, even potential distractions from loving service. Yet, understanding them illuminates the yoga system's potency. Krishna categorizes them: 8 primary siddhis inherent in him, and 10 secondary from sattvic qualities. Primary siddhis, attained by meditating on specific aspects of Krishna. 1. Anima, shrinking to atomic size, focus on Krishna's subtle pervasion in all atoms. 2. Mahima, expanding to immense proportions, absorb the mind in the Mahat Tattva, the total material elements. 3. Laghima, becoming lighter than air, enabling levitation, concentrate on the essence of atomic time. 4. Prapti, obtaining anything at will, fix on the supersoul within the false ego. 5. Prakamiya, irresistible willpower to enjoy any object, meditate on Krishna's form transcending senses. 6. Isita, lordship over Maya, controlling nature, place the mind on Vishnu, the maintainer. 7. Vashita, freedom from material modes, influencing others, contemplate Narayana's infinite opulences. 8. Kamavashayita, fulfilling desires without limit, the highest, achieved by total surrender. Secondary siddhis include enduring without food or water, clairvoyance, instantaneous body transfer, shapeshifting, entering others' bodies, choosing one's death time, witnessing divine pastimes, commanding fulfillment, unobstructed movement, and enjoying celestial pleasures. Krishna cautions, these powers tempt the ego. Bhakti devotees bypass them for direct love of God. Historical examples, yogis like Patanjali or modern claims in Himalayan traditions illustrate their possibility, though rare. Scientifically, quantum physics hints at such potentials through consciousness-matter interplay. If siddhis arise, offer them in service, never for personal gain. This knowledge inspires, but the true jewel is devotion, which we integrate next. Yoga reaches its zenith when infused with bhakti, pure devotional love. Krishna tells Uddhava that while knowledge and renunciation purify, devotion alone grants swift liberation. Integrate it thus: constant remembrance, dedicate all actions, eating, working, resting, to Krishna, seeing him as the doer. Sacred living, reside in holy tirthas like Vrindavan or Mathura, associate with saintly devotees whose examples uplift. Festive celebrations, participate in festivals with chanting, dancing, and feasting on prasadam. Universal vision, recognize Krishna in every being, cow, tree, human, or foe. Offer respects by bowing, speaking kindly, without social inhibition. This erases prejudice and fosters humility. Total engagement, use body for pilgrimage and service, mind for contemplating Krishna's qualities and pastimes. This bhakti yoga transcends the 3 modes of nature, leading to prema and mukti. Simple daily practices: morning japa, mantra repetition on beads, 16 rounds ideal, reading Bhagavatam verses, serving others as Krishna's representatives. Benefits: unshakable joy, resilience in adversity, and a heart overflowing with compassion. Modern studies in positive psychology affirm devotion's role in building emotional well-being and community bonds. Bringing this ancient wisdom into your modern routine is easier than you think, and the payoffs are immense. Start your day with 10 minutes of pranayama and posture alignment to center yourself amid rush hour stress. During lunch breaks, practice quick visualization on Krishna's smile to reset mental clutter. In the evenings, integrate bhakti with family kirtan or scripture reading. For busy professionals, use apps for guided sessions or mantra timers. Facing anxiety? Breath retention calms the amygdala, as per neuroscience research. Seeking purpose? Soul-body distinction fosters detachment from materialism, reducing depression. Athletes, siddhi-like focus enhances performance. Overall, expect heightened empathy, creativity, and vitality, transforming chaos into clarity. Beloved friends, this is Sri Krishna's eternal gift, a roadmap to transcendence shared through Uddhava for all humanity. Embrace it with sincerity. Watch miracles unfold in your life. If this resonated, hit that like button, subscribe for more spiritual gems, and share your practice stories in the comments below. How will you incorporate these teachings today? Let's inspire each other on this path. Hari Bol, may Krishna's boundless grace illuminate your journey. Until our next encounter, Namaste and stay blessed.